Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to install .NET 3.5 on Windows 10 and explain each step clearly so you can enable it without confusion. Step 1. Click the Start button on your keyboard or screen, type Control Panel, and open it from the search results. The Control Panel is where Windows stores many system-level settings, and it's required to access Windows features. Step 2. Inside Control Panel, click on Programs, then click on Programs and Features. This section allows you to manage installed programs and enable or disable built-in Windows components. Step 3. Now look to the left side and click on Turn Windows Features on or off. This option opens a special window where optional Windows features like .NET Framework can be enabled or disabled. Step 4. In the list, find .NET Framework 3.5, which includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0, and check the box next to it. This feature is important because many older apps and games require it to run properly on Windows 10. Step 5. Click OK and wait while Windows downloads and installs the required files automatically. Once the process is complete, .NET Framework 3.5 will be ready to use on your system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.